Reinforcement learning introduction. We can think of artificial intelligence as software that can solve problems or make decisions by itself. Inside this broad area, we have machine learning as the algorithms and techniques that learn from data. Reinforcement learning is a category of machine learning approach suitable for optimal control and decision-making process. Reinforcement learning is different than the supervised and unsupervised learning since there is no input-output mapping like what supervised learning does. Also, there is no hidden pattern recognition as we see in unsupervised learning. In reinforcement learning approach, usually we deal with a dynamic environment in which an agent learns how to interact with the environment to gain the most reward. So the components of a reinforcement learning system include an environment which defines the context of the problem. It is the territory where the agent explores and makes actions. The other component is the agent itself. The agent has a sequence of actions on the environment. The main point here is that the agent does not know anything about the internal dynamics of the environment, but it tries to figure out how the environment works by doing random actions and seeing how the environment responds to that action. This response comes to the agent in two separate pieces of information. The agent can observe the change of the state of the environment as well as a reward or punishment signal. You can imagine yourself as a reinforcement learning agent. You are located in a new kitchen where you have not been there before while your eyes are closed. You want to do a simple task like reaching to the refrigerator. So you may move in different directions, hit something like a table or wall until you finally find the refrigerator. Reinforcement learning has been around for a while, and the main root of this approach goes back to psychology, especially imitating human learning mechanism. For example, if you imagine how toddlers learn to walk, you will notice that they try to maximize the total reward. So what is that reward? Basically, when toddlers want to walk, they try to make them balanced. But it may happen that they fall down. Each falling down is considered as a negative reward, and each step forward, which triggers parents' excitement and applause, is considered as a positive reward. So in that case, the toddler tries to maximize the positive rewards and minimize the negative ones. Over the time, they learn how to walk while keeping their balance.